3.5% from last week, but compared to last year, inventory is actually down 21.2%. Price drops on inventory rose 53.6%. It's Friday, September 23rd, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for our weekly updates. There are still buyers in the market as new purchase contracts are up 15.8% after 7 consecutive weeks of slower purchase activity. Buyer showings have also risen 2.5% from August, though they are down 23.7% from last year this time. Buyer demand for higher-priced single-family homes and higher-priced condos continue to be the most attractive properties for buyers and showing the most activity. Mid-price single-family homes and townhouses are showing moderate buyer demand, while lower-priced single-family homes have the least interest to buyers right now. Investors should take note that interest in these lower-priced homes have slowed, so opportunities are rising. Stay tuned. We have a 1.3 months supply for mid-priced single-family homes and lower-priced condos compared to 2.4 months of higher-priced condos. Historically, a balanced market is equal to 6 months supply of inventory. Lower than that, and we have a seller's market. Higher than that, a buyer's market. However, this may be changing as we move into an inventory challenged market due to lack of actual supply. The average age of first-time homebuyers is 33 years old. As millennial homebuyers reach home buying age, we will see this group putting significant pressure on starter homes, which are not just limited as far as supply, but are higher priced. Right now, hot markets are in Calvert County, Charles County, Howard County, St. Mary's County, Cecil County, and Wycomico County. Anne Arundel, Baltimore, Dorchester, Queen Anne's, and Worcester counties have slow to moderate interest. Caroline, Hartford, Prince George's, Montgomery, and Carroll counties remain steady, with Baltimore City, Talbot, and Somerset activity cooling off to slow. Kent County has very limited activity. Interested in making a move or investing? Give me a call for opportunities. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for September 23rd, 2022. Thanks so much for tuning in. Until next week, be kind to one another.